Hello. Pink slime. What me? Yeah. Oops, I broke it.
No, I did not. Paige is gonna make slime.
Yeah. Let's got that open.
CJ, make sure
Do what?
Paige, please read the directions.
I
this
am.
time.
I will. Yeah, because I was with her. It didn't say anything about that, right, Paige? Yes. We got a lot of guar gum powder. What is this? What is this sorcery? It's colors. Why do we need all of this stuff just to make one simple batch of slime? It's a science experiment. Oh no. Oh no. Catapult, boom. Catapult, boom. Catapult, boom. Wait, I have... No one's working with me. I'll do it with you. All I was trying to do is get something to catapult. This one goes in the big one. Hey, Paige. Yes. Incoming cannon. Wait, did you catch it? No, it's on the ground somewhere. We almost forgot our Petri dish.
Three times since last week.
Hey.
She farted!
She did? I'm afraid of your fart. What do you... I need the scoop. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Suey. Place Petri dish into base. Insert the test tubes and spoon until arms are shown. Oh no, the instructions. I caught it. You are now ready to start making some slime. See reverse side for fun, creative recipes. Have fun. We can do regular slime, glow in the dark slime. Go in the dark. Or we can do magnetic or color changing. Wait, so can we do color changing? Got the water. And then empty one packet of guar gum powder. What are you doing?
That's where you get to kind of load, right? You can do it real fast.
What is? Let me see. Oh,
You wanted
nothing much.
notification.
I want stretchy slime.
Okay.
My phone, I had certain...
So there's that.
There is no stretchy slime on the list.
Color changing? Color changing? Are you making color changing?
More than one batch of slime.
Yes.
There's plenty of packets there. You can do all different kinds. So you just gotta pick what you want to do today. No, it went bum bada bada bum bum bum.
But I think you need like multiple to do one batch.
I have to rip some open with my teeth and it still didn't work. No. Go get scissors. Gosh, I hate this stuff. Hold on. Why did you pop it? Because it was hard to open, so I did this.
Well, let me see our sticky slime.
Oh.
Not on yet.
No.
Darn it.
Where's the line? And then
Why isn't anyone helping Paige?
Yeah, I'm doing this all by myself. I'm having fun. You could have done everything. I was just sitting here doing it all by myself.
But what can we do?
Mix this together.
Ew.
Okay. Oh, can I feel it? Ew. We're losing some.
I'll do it. Yucky.
Bryce, it's supposed to be gross. Where are you going? Ew.
Yucky. Yucky.
Yuck.
Yucky.
There we go. You guys can-
Wait, I'll mix it up. Don't mix it up. I'll mix it up.
It's already pretty mixed. Just gotta make sure it's not super liquidy like it is right now. Stay to my spot, mix. I gotta wash my hands so I can open the green stuff. Whoop.
Oh, I see a little already mixed in there.
Because there's a stopper.
Tell me when you're going to go. There's already some green in here.
There is.
Yeah, wait. You see?
Oh, there is. I didn't see. Okay.
Oh,
Here. Start mixing.
oh, Bryce! Oh, wow.
Make sure you wash your hands really, really good.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Green time.
Green.
Goopy and stuff, though.
It's supposed
to be goopy.
No,
it isn't. Slime isn't supposed to be goopy. Well, it is done. That's the beginning of the slime. And we can either make it glow in the dark, magnetic, or color changer. From here.
Now, this is disgusting.
Yes. Do you want me to mix it? You can wash your hands.
No! I'm gonna do this forever. I'll be showing the camera.
Yeah. Green
Slime.
and goopy.
Wow. Guys, and by the way, what you hear in the background is
Batman versus Superman.
what you hear in the background is Batman versus Superman.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it all off.
Woo! I don't think we can do color changing because I don't know what this thermochromic pigment is. Oh, here it is.
See? See? Just believe in yourself. Don't just say you don't know what it is. Look all over.
So, do you guys want to do color changing or something else? Because I have to put this file in the fridge for 10 minutes. The other ones are easier to do.
Okay, and do the other one.
Or we can do the color changing at a different time.
Bryce, do you want glow in the dark?
Yeah. So, zinc sulfide. So we can only do this one once, just so you guys know. Because we only have one bag of the zinc sulfide.
I'll mix it even more. Oh, Goopy is getting all over.
We'll clean it up and we're all
Okay,
done.
3, 2, 1, mix. Oh my gosh, this feels even weirder.
I can do it for you.
No.
You want me to do it?
No way, just try.
Ooh.
Look how weird that feels. Wait, I'll do it.
I got zinc sulfide on my hands. I got stuff on my hands. I want to mix it in.
Where did he get that stuff? Where did he get?
Jax, not yours. Mom, he has her baby.
Making the snacks, we're gonna eat dinner.
We can barely see it glowing in the dark. You play with it. It is yours. This is what slime is supposed to be like.
It's jiggly.
Yeah,
Honey, it's real slime. It's not the fake glue stuff kids make at school.
it's real slime. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. So this is supposed to be glow in the dark, but I held it under a light and you can barely tell it's glow in the dark.
Does it glow in the dark?
Not really. Let's charge it for 20 more seconds, I guess.
It works.
It works! Yay! Yay!
Dark works. It just takes a while.
Yay!
Just gotta keep it under the light for more than 20 seconds. But it does glow in the dark.
Did you do it for 2 minutes?
Just about.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. Should we put this glow in the dark stuff somewhere so we can keep it for a while? So, yeah.